I am Pawan Kumar Sahu, guest lecturer at PG College, Jagdalpur, Bastar. MA English 4th semester, paper 4th, subject English language teaching, unit 1st, features of human language. Before we have seen some points of human features of human language. Now in this time let we get next points of features of human language. Number 7th, language is a social phenomenon. Language is a set of conventional communicative signals used by humans for communication in a community. Language is a possession of a social group. It is a social institution. It exists in society and develops and nourishes culture and establishes human relations. Human beings acquire language as a member of society. Language is thus a social event and can be described only with reference to these speakers. Next point is number 8. Language is human and structurally complex. Many scholars regard language as the defining traits of humans, birds, animals, and even insects communication, but man king is the only living species that has the power of speech. Point number 9. Language is creative, complex, extendable, and modifiable. Language is a unique phenomenon of this earth. Each language is unique because each has its peculiarities and distinct features. Language has creativity and productivity. Novel utterances are continually being created in all languages. This is the productivity of human language. Language changes according to the needs of the society. With new inventions, new words are coined to name new objects and concepts. The signal in human language can be combined in a variety of ways. Point number 10. Language is structurally complex. Language is a complex whole. Human language is structurally complex. It differs from region to region and changes with the passage of time. The same word can be rearranged in order to construct another sentence. Daughter like their mothers. This shows that language is complex as it has two levels of structure or patterning. There is a primary level compounding of words and there is a secondary level compounding of sound. Yes, compounding of sounds. Thank you dear student. In next video we will read aims of language.